Wow, you know, with practice, I'm just improving bunches. So let's put the back cover on first. As shown before, pull gently on this guy and it pops into place. Now here's this. I don't want to struggle too badly, so I suppose I should do this off camera, but nope. I'm going to use one of the smaller screws. And hopefully it'll stick to the end well enough to be carefully inserted, started, and then screwed down. Hopefully it'll screw down enough. Maybe not. I seem to have just tried to put the wrong screw in the wrong hole. I need something a bit shorter, and I think that what I had that was a bit shorter was something that I attached. Good Lord. The LED. To the chassis with. Yep. That seems to be good, but let's do the inevitable check to see if everything's still hooked together, still ready to go out and take photos. Yep, seems to be more or less in place. Yep. It takes photos. See? Ta-da! Now let's shut the little lens. Okay, see, at this point in time, the back cover is not coming off easily. Not without unscrewing it. So let's put on the front cover. Thusly. And as always, with whatever gentleness you can muster. You don't want to just go crunch and think it's going to pop back into place, because it's not. This back cover needs to be got on again. Front cover's good at the other end. See if it'll snap into place on this end. Yep, so you have to pull out on this thing for everything to go into place. It's necessary to pull this and push that at the same time. Pull here and push there. Then all the little overlapping lips will fit. It's back together, I just need to put the screws in. Don't forget this little screw, which is really rather difficult to maneuver. There's one here, one here, one here. There's one here, and there's also, I do believe, one under here. And that's not going to be easy, because if I drop it, it goes in there and poof, I'm in trouble. And there you go, more or less reassembled. Let's see though, I have one screw left, and where can it go? Here's where it goes. This is not an easy one to do, but right there in the battery compartment, ta-da. Nope, back in a minute. Ta-da! It's in place. And as long as we've got this open, let's take the, what is this? This is a 512 megabyte XD picture card from Fujifilm. Yay! Came with my little camera, and it goes right into place there, and it snaps in. Drop in a battery. Oops, wrong. Now you can remember which one goes tip up, because that goes under that button. See, there's another one, goes in the proper way. It closes up. I have no screws left over. I think I dropped one on the floor and I don't know where it was supposed to go, but in the meantime, this works. Yay, see? Takes a picture. Well, not such a good one. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Turn off the flash. Yep, that's done, folks. We are all happy.